Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll reveal thrilling secrets and provide you with exceptional content you won't want to miss. You'll find valuable information, entertainment, and unbelievable adventures here. We'll offer you new experiences and exclusive tips that will make your journey enjoyable and informative. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the exclusive updates. Warren Buffett, the American investor, is one of the most renowned global investors in the current era, with his extensive investment expertise spanning decades. He is the founder of the Berkshire Hathaway empire, which encompasses over 60 companies. The American billionaire ranks fifth on the list of the world's richest individuals, with a total wealth approaching $115 billion. He began building his fortune at the age of 11 when he bought his first stock and paid taxes at the age of 13. He built his wealth by possessing a rare ability to select winning stocks and seize intelligent investment opportunities. But above all, he is a seasoned philanthropist, a humble individual, and an influential speaker on various social media platforms. Childhood prodigy: Warren Buffett's early beginnings. Warren Buffett was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, in the heart of the United States, as the second of three siblings. His father, Howard Buffett, was a stockbroker and a member of Congress for the state of Nebraska, which influenced Warren's interests. From his early childhood to his youth, Warren Buffett displayed a remarkable fascination with the world of finance and business. He showed a knack for investment and financial forecasting. He used to go door to door selling chewing gum and later decided to sell Coca-Cola bottles at the local golf course. Buffett demonstrated his business acumen from his teenage years when he, along with a friend, purchased a pinball machine and placed it in a barbershop. They made significant profits in a short time before eventually selling it for $1,200, despite having bought it for only $25. When he was 11 years old, the adventurous boy, deeply enamored with the world of stocks and securities, conducted his first successful currency trading operation. He bought 3 stocks for himself and 3 for his sister in a local gas company, even when the stocks faced setbacks, and everyone advised him to sell as their value declined. However, the young boy chose patience, and as the company recovered, the stock values increased, allowing him to eventually sell them with a reasonable profit. After completing his primary education in Omaha, Warren Buffett moved to New York to study business at Columbia University, where he earned a master's in business administration in 1951. He briefly worked as a stockbroker before deciding to return to Omaha to open his own business. Berkshire Hathaway, a diversified empire. Warren Buffett returned to his hometown to apply what he had learned at Columbia University about investment principles and began focusing on investing in stocks and companies. After several small successful ventures, a textile company in Nebraska called Berkshire Hathaway caught Buffett's attention. The company was closing down factories one after another, but Warren Buffett noticed a specific pattern in the stock price trend that he saw as a golden opportunity, even though he believed that the textile industry was generally declining. According to investors, Buffett expanded his holdings in the company, and by the mid-1960s, he had a majority control of its shares, making Berkshire Hathaway a strong starting point in Warren Buffett's successful investment journey. He became its manager and CEO, working to expand and diversify its investment portfolio into various sectors beyond textiles. The company's activities diversified to include insurance, financial services, chemical industries, in addition to textiles, logistics services, and more. In 2016, Warren Buffett bought a stake in Apple and increased his stake several times, making him a major investor in Coca-Cola and American Express, which operates in credit cards and financial services. In addition to his investments in Visa for electronic payments and money transfer, and General Electric in the energy and technology sector, he also owns a stake in Wells Fargo, one of the largest banks in the United States. Warren Buffett is often described as the most successful investor in history due to his deep knowledge of the stock market and companies. He doesn't throw his money into company stocks haphazardly, but follows strong and practical investment principles that set him apart from other investors. For example, he prefers to invest in value companies, those that provide real value, have a solid and stable long-term position, and are profitable over time. Buffett also focuses on companies with competitive advantages and a significant market share. He looks for companies that provide good returns to shareholders and prefers companies that distribute dividends regularly and aim to improve the value of their stocks. He is also interested in entities that minimize debt, maintain capital, and improve their financial structure rather than focusing on short-term quick profits. In his youth, Buffett was influenced by the famous American investor Benjamin Graham, the author of the renowned investment book The Intelligent Investor. Graham is a key figure in advocating value investing, which means that an investor should look at the company that issued the stock as representing the real value, rather than the stock price, whether it's high or low. Apart from that, Warren Buffett is cautious in his investments and avoids taking risks, except in companies with strong financial foundations. Before making any investment decision, he takes his time to thoroughly analyze the financial and economic reports of the companies, examining both current and past data to make sound investment choices. Money is a means, not an end. Warren Buffett, in addition to his exceptional success in business, is known for being one of the most generous philanthropists. It is estimated that his charitable donations to date exceed $46 billion. He regularly donates substantial amounts to various charitable organizations, including the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Susan G. Komen Foundation for Cancer Research, and the Ted Stevens Foundation for Poverty Alleviation, among others. Buffett also supports local charities in his home state of Nebraska, where he donates millions of dollars to hospitals, schools, and other local institutions. In 2006, he established the Buffett Charitable Foundation, through which he pledged to dedicate over 80% of his wealth to charitable causes. Despite his immense wealth, Warren Buffett is known for living a simple lifestyle, far from extravagance and opulence, and he considers this simplicity an essential element of his success. He still resides in his old home in Omaha, which he bought in 1958 for $31,000. Additionally, he avoids buying luxurious cars and prefers to use one car for extended periods. Buffett steers clear of fancy restaurants and often dines at McDonald's. His attire is simple, and he doesn't pay much attention to fashion. Thank you for watching this episode about Warren Buffett. We hope you found our information about the life and achievements of this giant in the world of investing valuable. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest content. We'll see you in the upcoming videos.